behind her, and the man in the driver's seat
Say it again.
started the car and drove out of the gas station.
No, I mean restart, Mom.
No, I'm not doing that. I'm trying to write this.
Okay, then I'll tell them what happened. Okay, this is what happened, guys. My mom went to go show her the puppy. Right when she showed her the puppy, then the girl, snatched it out of her, she said that she wanted to go show her husband, and she snatched the puppy out of my mom's hands, and she tried to grab the puppy right when she got in the car. Then she showed her husband, and then Mom tried to get the puppy back. Mom tried to get the puppy from her hands, and then she smashed my mom's arm in the door. We told the cops about it. They're still looking for her. So, I just wanted to tell you guys that. Okay. Bye, everyone. Give me 188 subscribers. Bye.